Hello everyone, Brad Larsen, real estate broker and owner from Larsen Properties, giving you a quick video overview of our March 2015 newsletter, and we'll call this the video edition. So I'll give you a few updates to the San Antonio market as a whole on the rentals and the sales side. So the sales side is actually doing surprisingly still very well. Interest rates have creeped down surprisingly since the last issue with the Feds adjusting the interest rates. So that has actually been a good thing for the buyers. We are seeing the same steady action as far as rentals. Larsen Properties historically has rented out over 250 homes per year, and in the last 6-month analysis, again, we have rented out our homes faster than any other competitor in this market. That I can back up with numbers. So that's straight from data from the San Antonio Board of Realtors. Our average days on market during the last 6-month time frame was just at 25 days. So pretty good for the winter months. A couple good things I want to talk about, or however you want to take that, is some of the things that are going to affect the market here this year. We do have the election year, so we have the presidential election coming up in November. Never quite know what that's going to do to a market as a whole. Historically, that has always caused a dip in the sales market, just from consumer confidence lowering. They get a little fearful of what's going to happen, if anything's going to happen. So that's often led to the case of some buyer hesitancy on going out and buying something, which leads to sellers not wanting to go on the market. So it does kind of potentially see a decline in potential activity here coming up in the latter part of the year. And of course, as we all know, the price of oil is down significantly, which has caused South Texas a little bit of a headache, because a lot of those companies that were booming a few years ago with all the South Texas oil have pretty much either stopped production or gone out of business. So until the price of oil kind of creeps up again above $60 a barrel, we may not see a lot of very strong activity here in the South Texas market. How that affects San Antonio as a whole, we have seen a few glitches in some tenants losing their jobs, and we have seen some bad things like that happen because of oil workers losing their positions, losing their jobs. So it does kind of affect the market, but as a whole, we're still very healthy, and it's not like it's shut down to the extent to where we're a ghost town. So there's a couple quick blurbs on what's going on here in March 2016. Should you have any further questions about what we're talking about, feel free to get in touch with us at 210-497-8686. And you can also email us to info@satxpm.com. Thanks and take care.